Today, we're creating a professional drawing border for AutoCAD Electrical and turning it into a reusable template you can use on every project. This is one of the most important steps in building clean, consistent schematics, so let's get straight into it. A drawing border is the frame around your schematic. It defines the sheet size, margins, zones, and title block. Every company has its own version, and every client expects you to follow theirs. AutoCAD Electrical doesn't magically create borders for you. You build them once, save them as a template, and reuse them forever. I am starting with a blank drawing. First, set your units and make sure you are working in millimeters. Now, draw the outer rectangle for your sheet size. A3, A2, whatever your company uses. Offset it inward by 10 or 15 millimeters to create the margin. Next, add zones. These are optional, but they make your drawings look professional and help with cross-referencing. I'm dividing the border horizontally and vertically, then adding letters across the top and numbers down the side. Now let's create the title block. This is where all the important information goes: project name, drawing number, revision, date, drafter, client, and so on. You can add here any internal codes your company uses. Use simple rectangles to define the layout. Then insert attributes, not text. Attributes allow AutoCAD Electrical to read and update information automatically. For example, I'm adding attributes like project, drawing number, revision, date, and so on. These can be linked to your project properties later. Borders only look professional when they follow standards. So set your layers: border lines, zone lines, title block lines, text attributes. Give each layer a proper line weight. If your company uses a specific plot style, load it now. This ensures that every sheet prints consistently. Once your border and title block are finished, save the file as a DWT template. A DWT locks in your layers, line weights, title block, and standards. Save it in your AutoCAD template folder so it appears when you create a new drawing. Now every new sheet starts with your professional border. Finally, keep your template updated. If your company changes its logo, standards, or title block fields, update the template, and version control it. And if you work in a team, make sure everyone uses the same template. Consistency is everything. That's your complete drawing border and template workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how to link the title block attributes to your project properties so they update automatically across every sheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.